Welcome back to our show, Vastu, Harmony and You. And today we have here in our studio Vastu and Feng Shui expert Dr. Rupa Batra. Here I am reminding you, if you have any doubt related to Vastu of your house, shop, plot or any construction site, then you can send your properties map to Dr. Batra. Or if you have any queries, then you can contact Dr. Rupa Batra on this number 9560423423. Let's move to our next mail, which is from Gujarat, and she is Subhashini. She said, a tall building shadow directly falls above my house. Does it have any ill effects as per Vastu? Please clear my illusion.
Well, Subhashini, the shadow of any object falling on the home or a house is inauspicious. So generally the shadow of a temple falling on the home is called temple Chayaved. It means that, or a building Chayaved. In Shastras there are, the shadow on a home is known as Chayaved. So this is inauspicious. I will let you know some timings also, so that you can come to know that how it is. This is inauspicious only if the shadow falls between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. The outcome will be the loss in the business and peace in the family. It means that the quarrels in the family, not a relationship not good in between all the family members. The shadow of a flag or a pillar or something similar object is known as Dhwaj Chayaved, which is inauspicious again, and it brings ill health. The shadow of a tree, as you have asked, that the shadow of the tree is there, falls on my home, on your home. So the shadow of the tree falling on your home between, again the timings are the same, 10 p.m. to 3 p.m. is inauspicious. So you need to check about that what timing the shadow falls. So this is called as Vriksha Chayaved, means the tree shadow. The result is hindrance to financial progress. So you can see, you can check that what are your financial status. So you'll come to know about that, how it is. The building shadow is known as Bhavan Chayaved. It's yet another obstacle. The shadow of a building falling on a well or a pound is called as Bhavan Chayaved, which is again capable to create ways to financial problems. So again you need to check all those things, and as I hope you got your answer, you need only to think, you just need to check that the timings, that from 10 to 3. If it is not, you don't need to worry. If it is, so you need to do the remedies for the shadow which comes on the another building shadow on your home.
Dr. Rupa Batra, Vastu and Feng Shui expert. Our address: Global Vastu, E16/376, Sector 8, Rohini, Delhi 85. You can also contact us on these numbers 9560423423. You can also mail us batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can also join the Facebook, www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Clubs, associations, schools, colleges, corporates can contact for free Vastu awareness workshop. You can contact on these number 9560423423. You can visit our website also, which is www.globalvastu.com. You can also mail us on these IDs: batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. Conditions apply.